Every morning, e-commerce owners open 8 different dashboards just to answer one simple question. How did I do today? They check Shopify for orders, Meta for ad spend, Stripe for payouts, inventory sheets for stock risk, and support inboxes for customer issues. But the real problem is not seeing more metrics. The real problem is knowing what changed, what it cost, and what to fix first. That is why we built How Did I? How Did I is an agentic store operator for e-commerce. It diagnoses daily revenue leaks across carts, ads, inventory, payouts, and support, then drafts the fixes for owner approval. Not another dashboard, an operator. Here is the demo store, DD Streetwear. I click Run DD Diagnosis. The agent connects to the store's signals, reads e-commerce activity, checks inventory, analyzes ad spend, reviews support and checkout behavior, and starts building a daily operating brief. In under 60 seconds, How Did I creates the daily pulse. It shows the store health score, total revenue at risk, and the most important problems from overnight. In this case, the agent found 3 high-impact leaks. First, abandoned carts are spiking on Cloud Hoodie. Second, Cloud Hoodie is projected to stock out soon. And third, Meta is still spending ad budget on a SKU that is already low on inventory. This is where How Did I becomes more than a dashboard. For this hackathon, the data layer is built around Fivetran MCP. That means the agent is designed to reason over trusted e-commerce connector data from systems like Shopify, Meta Ads, Stripe, Help Scout, inventory, and analytics sources. The goal is not to make decisions from isolated prompts. The goal is to give the agent clean, connected business evidence. Now we move from diagnosis to action. How Did I opens the approval queue. The agent has already prepared the fixes. It drafts an abandoned cart recovery message. It recommends pausing or shifting ad spend away from the low stock SKU. It prepares a supplier reorder email. And it can draft support replies or flag payout anomalies when those signals appear. But nothing goes live automatically. Every action is owner approved. The store owner can review the evidence, edit the draft, and approve the action when ready. That safety layer is intentional. How Did I is built for read-only diagnosis and approval-safe execution. Under the hood, How Did I runs as a hybrid TypeScript and Python system. The front end is built with React, TanStack, and a polished e-commerce operator interface. The back end runs through a node service layer with structured agent adapters. For cloud infrastructure, we use Google Cloud Run, Firebase Auth, Vertex AI Reasoning Engine, and a Python ADK agent. The system supports a live Google Cloud Agent runtime, a Gemini reasoning fallback, and a deterministic demo adapter, so the experience stays reliable for judges.